nook and corner of my lane, I find masks for sale. I hope this is the same thing in your case as well. So, which mask to buy? Which mask not to buy? This has become a big question in my mind. So I thought, why not I do some Google research and find out which is the best mask. Now that I am doing so much of research, why not I share it with you so that you also can benefit with me. Then why delay? Let's get into the video. So I made my analysis based on 5 points. 1. Fit. 2. Price. 3. Fabric. 4. Breathability. And final one is reusability, or the way to dispose those masks. So my analysis turns around these 5 points, and let's get into it. Before getting into the video, I want to say some golden words to you. One is, I am not a medical expert. This is all my research work. 2. Whenever you are wearing a mask, you shouldn't be touching the center portion of the mask. You just have to touch the handles with which you wear and you remove the mask. Also, make sure to sanitize before you wear the mask. If you are not following these steps, then wearing any kind of protective mask is a waste and it goes into vain. So now let us start with my analysis. First, like I said, the first point, fabric. So now here I am going to talk about the cloth masks that are available in the market. Fit. When we are buying a cloth mask, we have to make sure that it fits properly. It has to cover our nose as well as the mouth, and it should end here so that we get a chance to wear the flaps like this. So this was about the fit, and make sure that no air enters or no air goes out of the masks. That is about the fit. And coming to the price of the mask varies right from 10 rupees to any amount. And these masks, the main advantage is that these can be prepared at home as well. So these were about the 3 points. Now coming to breathability. So now in market we see some masks that have some pores through which you can exhale out. But if you listen to my suggestion, then I would say make sure that there are no pores that will pull the air out. So when we purchase something like a mask that is having pores, we think that it will send out the air which we have breathed out outside. But then, have you thought about the risk of incoming air from those pores? So I suggest do not buy a cloth mask that has some pores to it. And finally, reusability, or the way to dispose it. So when you remove the cloth masks, you should immediately put it for washing. Now when I say washing, do not mix it with the clothes inside your washing machine. I would suggest you to wash it yourself with any disinfectant cleaner or use something like Dettol. This was about cloth masks. Let's look at the other ones. Now second type of masks are surgical masks. That blue ones we see in the hospitals, those ones. So coming to the 5 factors which I said. First, fabric is that surgical masks. Next, fit is usually they are very loose as they have some layers attached to it. Usually they are loose and I do not suggest them. And coming to breathability, yes, you can breathe very easily because it is open all around, and even on the top it has some loose ends. And coming to the price, it is price ranged around not more than 10 rupees to 15 rupees. Reusability or disposal. So immediately once these masks are used, these needs to be disposed. You have to directly wrap them up in a paper or a polythene and just put them into a dustbin. So this was about surgical masks. Since the nature of protecting is very less in these surgical masks, I do not recommend them. The next type of masks are KN95 masks. We keep hearing about these masks at our local market. Just yesterday I saw an advertisement saying that KN95 mask is available only for 59 rupees. So now let's discuss about this. Fabric KN95, which has multiple layers. Fit, it exactly fits to the nose and mouth because it has an adjusting facility on top of the nose which properly and perfectly fits any shape of a human face. Coming to the price range, yesterday, like I said, I saw it for 49 rupees. It might be a counterfeit one, but then it will range from around 49 to max 100 rupees. Coming to the breathability, since it has this nose adjustment kind of thing, breathing might not be that easy, but then it protects and you can breathe till what is comfortable range for you. If you are not comfortable, then you can adjust the nose filter and make it a little loose, but I do not recommend making it loose. Coming to disposal or reusability, then you have to be very careful while using these masks. You have to keep them in a proper polythene cover or a paper cover and store them properly so that they do not get exposed to the particles inside your house, protecting nature. Yes, KN95 masks are 95% protective. I will not say these are effective just like N95, but then they give maximum protection. And the final one is N95 masks. Usually N95 masks are meant only for medical professionals and not for us. And based on the shortage that we have faced, government also has suggested to spare N95 masks for medical professionals who are on the first line of service. But then if you get one, then why not take it? Fit, it also exactly fits to the person's nose and mouth just like KN95 as I already mentioned. And the price range, I heard that it is available right from 180 rupees to 500 rupees, but then I heard there is also a shortage. I am not sure about it. And then coming to breathability, these fit exactly to mouth and nose, and there are some outer cap kind of thing that provides flexibility and inhale exhale functionality on N95 masks. Coming to the protection, it protects 99.9%. It is called N95 because it gives 95% protection. Also, it can go up to a very nano level of protecting from the dust. And coming to its disposable and reusable functionality, usually it is suggested that an N95 mask should be disposed as soon as it is used. But then, since due to the shortage, medical professionals are compelled to use them or reuse them whenever required. If a N95 mask is not prone to any kind of virus or vulnerability, then usually it is suggested that to put it in a safe place for first 72 hours and use it only after 72 hours so that the virus does not still be on the masks if the professional is using after 72 hours. So this was my understanding about the masks. I hope it helps you to purchase masks further. If you like this video and if you think this mask coverage was useful for you, please give it a like, comment if I have gone wrong somewhere, and please encourage me by subscribing to my channel. Please click on the red button. I will see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Please do not forget to use your masks properly. Only then it gives a proper protection. Bye.